guys, today's recipe is butter cookies, so let's begin.
It's my cookie, Mama. Mama.
Whisk it well, you can even use fork. One by 3 cup of butter.
Sugar.
1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it well. Half tablespoon of baking powder. Half tablespoon of vanilla extract. Make them to a small balls.
Let's wait.
Pour some flour. You can go for any kind of desired shapes. Add the sprinkler. Let's bake it for 300 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. So your soft cookies are ready.
Yummy. Please subscribe.
If you guys like this video, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification.